Want to make some custom Christmas ornaments? We'll show you how after this. Hi, I'm Shannon with Adventures at Home, and in today's video we are going to show you how to make some custom Christmas tree ornaments. Here at Adventures at Home, we love all things DIY, and we post new tutorial videos weekly. So if you are new here, consider subscribing. Now let's get into the video. We picked up these glass ornaments from our local craft store, and we chose the mirrored finish look because we're going to be painting the inside of some of them. You can choose any size ornament you would like. Just pay attention to the diameter. It's a good starting point in choosing the size of your graphics. You can cut your vinyl to the size for your graphic. This will help reduce the waste of the vinyl. We're going to be making 2 ornaments in this video, so we are going to get our white vinyl ready also. Now that we have our vinyl cut to the size we would like, we can go ahead and watch the Cricut do its magic. We chose to use our Cricut, but you could also use some scissors or a hobby knife to cut out the stick-on vinyl. It still amazes us how fast the Cricut works. After the Cricut is done cutting out the design, it is time to weed out the design. All this means is removing the negative parts of the vinyl. The next step is to cut your transfer tape to the size of your design. Make sure you remove the back of your transfer tape and lay it on the top of your design. Once the transfer tape is on your design, go ahead and flip it over. You are going to want to use some sort of scraper tool to ensure your design sticks to the transfer tape. To get the vinyl to take shape of the ornament, it makes it way easier if you use scissors to make some relief cuts in the transfer tape. Just be careful when making these cuts not to cut your final design. After you have cut the transfer tape, you can go ahead and peel the backing off of the vinyl. Now that the backing is all peeled off of the vinyl, it's time to stick the transfer tape with your design onto the ornament. To get your design to stick better to the ornament, you can go ahead and use the scraper tool. When you think the vinyl is attached to the ornament, you can go ahead and peel off the transfer tape. But remember not to push too hard or the ornament is going to break. The next step is going to be taking the top of the ornament off. Most ornaments, if you gently pull the top, will come right off. Since I am going to be filling this one with fake snow, I just grabbed a plastic cup to sit the ornament in while I fill it. I also used a funnel to make getting the fake snow into the ornament easier so I didn't make a mess.
While I'm working on this, I just wanted to remind you guys about our website and our other social media sites. You can find all of our projects categorized on adventuresathomellc.com. We'd also like to connect with you on Instagram and Facebook. We post there daily, and it's a great way to connect with us. And it's also a great way for you to share some of your project ideas with us. And if we choose to use one of your smaller projects and build it in our videos, we're going to try and do our best to send you that project for free. We can't wait to connect with you.
After all the snow is pushed into the ornament, it is time to put the top back on. We took the top off our next ornament and poured some paint into it. For this project, we used acrylic paint. After your paint is poured into the ornament, go ahead and start to twist the ornament. This will allow the paint to evenly distribute itself. You might have to add more paint as you go along. After you have the paint evenly distributed, go ahead and turn it upside down in a cup. This will help get any excess paint out. Once you have waited 10 to 15 minutes to let the excess paint drip out, you can go ahead and put the top back on. So there you have it. There's an easy way to create some custom ornaments for your Christmas tree. So if you like this video, make sure you hit the thumbs up button. And if you want to keep seeing content like this, make sure you subscribe. And also, make sure you ring the bell if you want to be notified every time we post a new video. And until next video, I'm Shannon, helping you create your own adventure at home.